welcome back to Keeping Up with Christy. I'm Christy, and again, I'm here with my husband, Neal, and we're going to be showing out. Hey y'all. We're going to be showing out how we cook tonight on our outdoor griddle that we have. It's a Blackstone, and tonight we're making hibachi. But first, I have to just say, you are looking snazzy.
Well, I had some comments saying that I needed an apron.
Yeah.
And so we had a good friend of ours that's one of our subscribers text me and say, hey, I got you something coming in the mail. And so I got me a new apron.
Mr. Good Looking is cooking.
Fits me pretty good, right?
Yeah, it does. It fits you perfect.
Well, I want to give a big thank you to Andy Fox and for doing this. You didn't have to do that, but I truly appreciate it.
Thanks, Andy. He looks good. So now he will look nice standing out by the griddle and getting supper cooked for us. I'm actually going to help him because whenever you're doing something like hibachi style meal, it goes kind of fast and furious, and there's a lot of stuff going at one time. So we're trying to recreate what we get at the Japanese steakhouse, which it would be the vegetables cooked on the hibachi, the rice, fried rice, and chicken and shrimp is what we're doing tonight. I also made about an hour ago some shrimp sauce, that yummy mayonnaise shrimp sauce.
Yum sauce.
Like yum sauce, yeah. So I have that, and I'll insert a clip here. Now. So we have that chilling, and let's show them, Abby, if you'll come a little closer. So this is what we're doing. We're going to be using just some canola oil that we'll be cooking everything in, and these are the only seasonings that we'll use: salt, pepper, and some garlic powder. Those will go on the vegetables. Here we have squash, zucchini, onions, and broccoli. It'll also be what we use to season our chicken breast and our shrimp that are thawed, peeled, deveined, no tails. The rice I made earlier in the day. You can make it the day before, use leftover rice from another meal. This is 2 cups before it was cooked. It makes about 4 cups once it's cooked up. And I just made this in my Instant Pot. I'll be seasoning it or cooking it with butter, onion, this is 1 whole onion, a couple of eggs, and we'll season it with soy sauce. So that'll be the seasonings for that. So let's take all of this. We're gonna go get it set up on our table beside of our griddle, and we will show you how we cook it out.
Can I ask something before we go out?
Okay.
Do I get to do the volcano onion?
No.
Why not?
Because I don't want any fire hazards going on, and I just feel like you trying to make a big flame could be a bad idea. I just want dinner to go off without a hitch tonight.
All right, I'll let it slide.
Thank you, baby. All right, let's go. Come on. Here.
I was just saying how it was.
Okay. All right, Neal's been testing out our griddle to make sure it was getting hot. It is. It's smoking. So we're going to put some oil down, and then he is, what, baby?
That's a lot.
No, you've got to have plenty.
Oh.
That's a lot. Look at all those vegetables. All right, dump them in, honey.
I'll dump them in?
Yeah, baby. Get them
all right,
on
here
there.
we go.
Get them on there.
Comes the sizzle.
All of them. Get them all on there.
Man, look at that. Oh, I left 2.
Get them all poured out. So we're gonna season them up with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Go ahead and get that on there. Okay, baby. He's about to channel his inner Japanese cook. His hibachi skills.
Spread them out?
Yep.
Alright. Man, this looks good. The only thing that I found that I have to be careful about is the drain hole here likes to eat my vegetables sometimes.
Alright. So what now, after we've got the vegetables going for just a minute, we're going to put them over here on one side, and here on the griddle we're making sure, is that turned down low?
I got it turned down low so don't burn the vegetables low.
Yeah, because we got to give them time to cook. We don't want them to burn. Now on this side I'm going to go ahead and start up some chicken and get that cooking. And I'm going to keep my stirrer away from your vegetables. Yeah. Put all the chicken over here in one spot. And keep it away from our other stuff. We do the same thing, salt, pepper, and garlic powder to season all this.
I need to do some flipping.
Yeah, keep it moving, baby.
Ooh, that pepper. About to get me.
It'll make you sneeze, you gotta turn your head and sneeze into your elbow.
Then I have to go wash, but people think we'll be, oh, we're not 6 feet apart.
We're not. But you know what else we've been doing while all this has been going on?
Sleeping in the same bed.
And this.
Yeah.
So, oh well.
Kiss the chef.
If it gets one, it gets the other. That's just gonna be the way of it at our house.
So what do you think about it? It's your first time cooking on it.
I like it. I like it a lot.
I think it's worth the money. Look how much food we can get on it.
That is the nice part.
And we're feeding what? 8 people? 7 people?
7. We have 7 adults, and so we can...
I don't know how many people's in my whole family.
We can get them all fed, and I like the fact that it kind of can go fast all at one time, throw it on there and get it done.
Yeah, we don't want to hear your parents fussing when dinner's not ready.
They don't fuss when
I'm
they're
just
not ready.
kidding.
In fact, last night they cooked the dinner for us.
They did good.
Burgers on the grill, and they were delicious. Hot dogs. So I don't cook every night. Neal doesn't help me cook every night. My parents who live with us, they also help out. So my dad has this week, he's cooked on the grill ribeye steaks and burgers. So we've had a few nights off.
I like it when your dad is bored.
He likes to
get outside and cook.
He likes to cook. Yes, he does.
Not very often you get ribeyes during the week.
No, on a Wednesday night you get ribeyes. So that was nice. Abby, you can come up a little closer and take a close look. So, I mean, y'all saw I haven't had this. We've done this in real time. And the chicken
is almost done.
It's getting there. So it's moving pretty quick. The vegetables are looking good. The main thing with those vegetables is you just kind of have to keep them moving.
I'm trying to double. I'm not very good. I'm getting better.
You're doing great. Yeah. And you just want to make sure it gets cooked, but you know, it's got to get cooked all the way through. So I'm just going to let that hang out right there.
Show a picture of her.
No, I would show the video. I won't because she'll yell at me. But my mom's in the kitchen window looking out the door, giving the nod of approval. So we're doing good. That's literally what she did. She went. So we're doing good. She's approving. So I'm gonna gather
I think it's
up.
that she can't stand that her son-in-law is actually cooking. She's got to eat it.
She's gonna love it.
She is.
I'm gonna run these inside. These are our dirty dishes. Okay, I'm back and we've got our chicken is almost done. I'm actually just gonna add a little bit of soy sauce to that. Not much. We don't have huge soy sauce lovers, but I think to add a little color to it too. I think that'll be good. So that can just hang out there for another minute and the bowl's being washed for us.
I think my vegetables are done. They're getting not soggy, but soft.
Okay. So it'll be coming off.
Oh, over there.
Yeah, it is. Turn that one down.
Turn that down.
Push that up a little bit right there. Put that out there, get rid of some of that moisture.
It smells like the Japanese steakhouse.
Mm-hmm. I bet Molly's gonna be looking around.
Yeah, our little Dachshund's down here trying to find something that we dropped.
So just in case y'all drop it. So I'm gonna start working now on our fried rice. So I've got butter, and I told y'all I made this rice up ahead of time today. But if you made it the day before, left it in the fridge. Just the main thing is make it ahead of time before you need it. Get it cooled off and in the fridge waiting on you.
I'm gonna go ahead and take my vegetables off, okay? I think they're ready.
You got 2 bowls over here now that are clean. The same 2 we had them in. They've been washed for us by our kitchen crew. And those are ready. You can take them up to serve it.
All right.
So for the rice, all I'm doing is melting this butter down and cooking this onion a little bit. And then I'm going to add a couple of eggs and scramble the eggs with the onion and butter. And then I'll add the rice in, the soy sauce, and season all that up. That was good, babe.
Am I doing good?
Awesome, yeah.
I don't think I dropped one. It's coming though, I just said that.
Well, I see a piece of onion. And Molly won't eat that.
No, she won't eat the onion.
She won't touch the onion with a 10-foot bowl. I'm like, y'all need to drop some chicken. Those onions are looking pretty good. Abby, if you come a little closer, make sure you're getting a good shot of that. Those onions, you just want them to be kind of that translucent. You can tell they're already getting cooked good. And then what we're gonna do is take our egg and crack it right into that. Throw my eggshells back in my little cup. Come on out of there, booger.
Oh, this chicken's brown.
And I have my towel. Grab my towel, wipe up. And then we want to just throw a little salt and a little pepper and get them to scrambling.
You think the chicken's done?
I think so, yes sir.
I'll take it up now?
That'd be great. This bowl is right over there too.
You don't want dry chicken.
No ma'am, no sir.
What?
Sorry, no sir.
No sir. That's
dry
usually what I
chicken.
say to you.
No ma'am, yeah.
Yes ma'am, no ma'am. Alright, time for a little chicken.
Okay. Then you can start the shrimp next.
Alright, that won't take any time.
No, it doesn't. So you can see this meal, it goes really fast, but you kind of have to have everything prepped and ready ahead of time. And like I said, it helps if you have a large cooking space and also multiple hands to cook it on that space. However, if you're doing this inside, you just want to do it in a nice pan, a skillet that you can brown and fry everything up in. Doing the same way, you're just going to utilize a pan on the stove top. We're going to get our rice in there, get all that stirred up, and add our seasoning of soy sauce. Keep that, yeah, it doesn't have to be really high. I haven't even looked at my temperature. I don't know what I'm on.
All right, just pour it on there?
Yeah.
All right. All right, shrimp is on. Get the butter back in it. That's not going to take this shrimp long. Can you hand me some of that sauce and I'll put a little bit on there?
Oh wait, now, listen, you got to keep your shrimp away from my rice.
Oh, excuse me.
Yes, sir.
I didn't know there was boundaries.
Yes, sir. The two shall not mix.
Until.
Because one is cooked and one is not. Right.
All right, hand me a little bit of soy sauce, please.
Okay. Let it cook just a little bit more before you add that. But I'll put it over there beside it.
Cool deal.
My apron makes a twist for me.
My apron is so much cooler than your apron.
Your apron is much cooler than my apron. I will give you that. I like it.
I like it too. It must have been lower than I thought it was. Or should I just leave them sit for a minute?
No, I crank it up.
Crank
This
it up?
rice is almost done. Yep.
Crank it in up. Crank it in up. I'm gonna put a little bit of sauce on here.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and pull this up. And those shrimp are almost done. You know, those shrimp are done, and that's why I told him not to throw the soy sauce on there just yet. Because you want to see that they're done before you throw something else that's gonna color them. Because you want them to be, they go from that white gray to that pretty pink color. And they turn into those little coins, and you want to make sure that pink color is there before you throw the soy sauce on, because you don't want underdone shrimp. That'll make somebody sick.
Yeah, we don't want that.
Yeah. You want to make sure they're almost done before you add that and change the color. Neal's taking the last of the shrimp off, or taking all the shrimp. I'm taking the last of the rice off here on this side. And then that's done. That's going to be all of our meal completed. And then we're going to take you guys back inside and show you what we have. We made a side of egg rolls. Now, I actually have a recipe that I was taught a long time ago when I lived in Florida to make homemade egg rolls and wontons. But we did not do that tonight because this was all plenty of cooking for me. So inside, we just did frozen egg rolls and have those. And so we'll show you inside. Let's take all this in and we'll show you how we have it. Okay, so we're back inside, and what we have is we just covered everything with foil so we can bring it in and serve it up to everybody nice and hot. So we have our fried rice and those vegetables smell amazing. Really good.
Who cooked the vegetables?
You did, baby.
I did.
We got the cooked chicken, and we've got the cooked shrimp. Looks good and yummy. And then we just, like I told you, we took help and we bought the little frozen egg rolls. Maybe I'll do our homemade egg roll recipe.
That'd be fun.
One day, but it is a lot of work. It's not the kind of, it's a fun thing to do with a whole bunch of us in the kitchen together. And then this is the yum yum sauce. So that's gonna be delicious. So that is Hibachi takeout at home, and we hope you guys enjoyed watching. Please remember to like this video if you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up down below. All the recipe will be listed, just kind of what we did and how we did it. Will be in the description box below. Hit that arrow if you're on your phone and it drops it down. Hit show more if you're on the computer, and that's how you'll see it. And don't forget, if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and let us know in the comments what you're doing for at home during quarantine. Are you making takeout at home? And if so, what you making?
And don't forget, click the bell and hit all so you get all the notifications when we have new videos.
Okay, thank y'all. Happy eating. Stay safe and well.
Bye, y'all.
See you soon.